Hey y'all, welcome to Cajun RNEWBBQ. I'm Bones. Glad you could join me today. On today's video, we're going to do up some spicy jalapeno jacked up charbroiled oysters on the charcoal grill and smother them in a Tabasco Family Reserve hot sauce that has been aged for 8 years in their oak barrels. Sounds good, doesn't it? So let's go ahead and get started. First off, find you some puncture resistant gloves. Then this is an oyster knife. On the back end back here, there's a little opening. It's a little mouth for it. Get in there. Pop it open. Throw one part of the shell away. Separate it from the underside. There you go. Do another one for you. Sometimes they're a little harder to find, like this one here, but same principle applies. Got 2 jalapenos here. I'll let them ripen a little bit more. Rid of the tops. Rid of the seeds. Absolutely beautiful. As you see, just simple little ingredients put together. Take no time at all. Let's go ahead and dig in. Here we go. Oh yeah, buttery and smooth, creamy. Got that heat from the Tabasco and jalapenos on it. Oh, so good. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, subscribe, comment below. Thank you. Have a good day.